Hello Internet, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Tori and today I have an update for the Alice in WonderPAN Project Pan. This is a fantastic ladies collab that was created by Alyshia. She will be listed down below as well as the master list for this project. It started March 5th, 2022 and will end March 4th, 2023. So let's just jump into it. Why is there's always so much hair that goes past the screen when I film? I notice it when editing, and I don't understand where it comes from. We have 2 items rolling out. Their goals were hit. So the first prompt that was finished was, there's no use going back to yesterday because I was a different person then. And it's a product I wouldn't repurchase. So I picked the Beauty Blender Bounce Concealer in 110 and Light Shell. My goal in this project was to use it 5 times. It needed 2 more uses, and I hit the 2 uses on November 29th. This concealer has been a little nice because it's helped me with blending because none of my other foundations are matching me. But it's too light, it's too sticky. I can't really stand it. So happy I got to use it. Closer to being done, no bueno. And then the other prompt that rolled out is the prompt that I always get tongue-tied with. The prompt is Curiouser and Curiouser. A product that you use for a purpose other than what it's intended for. So I picked the ABH Brow Pen, and my goal was to use it 5 times as a freckle pen. It also had 2 uses left, and those 2 uses were hit on December 17th. Very happy that it was used that way. I almost forgot to use it as fake freckles, but I'm happy that I did get to use it and finish it. Now on to everything that's remaining before I talk about what's getting pulled in. The oldest product in here, or prompt in here, is for Cheshire Cat, and that is a lip product. So I have this mini Melt Frisky lipstick. I am wearing it today. It's only been used 1 time since the last update, the 1 time being today. Next for... Why sometimes I believed as many as 6 impossible things before breakfast, and it's a product with an impossible goal. So my goal is to finish this CoverGirl liquid lipstick. Since the last update, I only also used it once, so slow and steady. The next prompt is Painting the Roses Red, and that is a red nail polish. I picked the Holo Taco Party Punch nail polish. Now, I can't find this one at the moment. I think my mom must have used it and didn't put it back on my desk, so I have to go look in the rack for it. My goal with that is to use it 5 times. Since the last update, I used it 3, so it has 2 uses remaining, so I think it definitely will be done in January. Very excited for that. So the last 2 prompts of this project are getting pulled in right here, right now. The first one is Blue Caterpillar, and that is a minimizing or a growing product. So I picked this e.l.f. Control Pore Minimizing Serum. I don't have a lot of minimizing products, and I've never really used this. So my goal is just going to be 5 uses because I don't know what to expect from it. So it should be interesting. And then the last prompt is We're All Mad Here, and that is a product that drove another panner crazy. So I wanted to think broad because I feel like all the stuff that people hate panning, I'm already currently panning. So I picked a MAC product because I feel like MAC highlighters and blushes are like notorious for being hard to pan. So this is the Happy Go Dazzling highlighter. I've thrown this in multiple projects over the years. I don't know what I want my goal to be. I'm thinking just 10 uses. I don't want to drive myself too crazy. I'm already there normally. So I'm feeling maybe just 10 on this one. Because pan's not going to happen. I already know that. I've already tried countless times. So I'm thinking just a nice little 10 on the Mac. So that is my current progress for the Alice in WonderPAN project. Honestly, not too bad. I'm very happy with the progression of this project since it seems like I might be able to finish it before March. Obviously, the lip products aren't going to get done by then, but once every other goal is complete, this project will be done for me. So don't forget to check out everyone else doing this project. Like I said before, they are listed in the description box down below. And I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this. Peace out, Girl Scout.